Is your garden looking like this, full of old dead plants and full of pesky weeds? Well, if it is, you've come to the right place, because in this video we'll go over all the steps to prepare your garden for the next growing season. So let's jump right into it. So I'm just going to pull the corn out by hand, but if you have bigger plants that have long roots, you can also dig them out with a fork or a spade. Just look at how much material is here, all the old corn plants. So I'm now just all gonna put this in my compost pile. Okay, let's go back. So basically there was a slight change of plans. We're not gonna put it in the compost pile, we're gonna use this chipper right here. So that's what we're gonna do. Using the small chipper, it breaks down the corn stalks into fine loose mulch, which will then break down and easily feed the soil. So it's actually been a few days, so I'm now just gonna go and clear all the weeds and one sunflower here. So let's go do that now. I'm mainly gonna use a hoe to pull out the weeds, but I'm also gonna pull out some by hand. So this is the pile of weeds that I took from this bed over here. Okay, this time I'm actually going to put the weeds in the compost bin. Now that I've cleared most of the weeds, I'm just going to rake this area flat. So most of the time when you're planting a garden, it's a good idea to always add compost or some organic matter to improve the soil, but as you can see here, our soil is already very good. It's nice and loose and full of organic matter, because when I planted this corn here, I added a lot of our aged wood chips, which made the soil really good, so I won't have to be adding any compost or organic matter. So I'm going to be planting a few zucchinis here along with the tomato. In this area, I'm going to plant a few zucchini plants and the tomato plants, and later in the season, I'll be filling the bed with some more new crops. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and to share it around with anyone who may be interested, and I'll see you in the next video.